asthma, diabetes, hypertension.
Okay. What if, let's say, the patient, Dr. Lau, is diabetic, can they undergo the treatment of varicose veins?
Actually, we advise the patient na to undergo medications muna or to have their blood test. Kasi titingnan.
Dapat control yung...
Yes,
control muna.
That's very important because if the patient is diabetic, yung problem yun is yung poor healing, no? So we don't want a patient na magkaroon pa ng sugat lalo sa legs nila.
Correct. So initially we do a medical history, and if everything is okay, we have to sterilize the patient using what?
70%
70%
alcohol.
Ganun kasimple, no?
Simple lang pala.
Yeah, parang
Are they allowed to drink vitamin E before the treatment, or no medicine first?
Actually, it doesn't have any relation if you want to take or not. It's okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a relation with that kind of question from our texter.
Ask ko lang if pwede procedure sa high blood. I have plenty of red and blue veins in my legs and feet, and how much po? Yun po yung tanong niya.
From Miss Del of Cebu?
Okay, with regards doon sa high blood, as long as it's controlled,
yes.
hypertension is controlled, pwede tayo mag-start.
So that means, ayan po sabi ni Dr. Azores, if the hypertension is controlled and you're taking your regular regimen or maintenance for hypertension, you can undergo sclerotherapy. Okay, so can we start now, Dr. Lau?
Okay.
God,
This is ito yung tinatawag na lunch break na treatment or
Lunch
break
time
time
treatment.
treatment.
Oh, okay. That's
Because
good.
the treatment alone, 10 to 15 minutes lang. You have 30 minutes to have your lunch and some ample amount of time para makabalik pa sa office, no? And then after that, pwede ka nang bumalik sa normal activity mo. Okay? So first, this patient na alcoholized na to, so sterile na. All we need is the syringe, just OS, and we will start na, no?
The patient is very comfortable naman eh.
Yes.
Yes, wow. Ngayon po, we're doing the actual treatment of varicose T together with our expert doctors. Okay, that's how it is.
Yan nakakatuwa dito, sometimes we have patients who are even texting while having the treatment.
Oh, wow. Ganun.
Ganun lang. Ganun ka, ibig sabihin, komportable para sa kanila.
Yeah, do we need to place some local anesthesia for the patient?
So,
What do you think,
local
Dr. Azores?
anesthesia is not really necessary. What we do apply is vocal anesthesia.
Vocal anesthesia.
We
When you
talk
say-
to the patient
Okay.
to see if they're okay.
So that's called vocal anesthesia. Hindi local, vocal anesthesia. You have to talk with it. Ma'am, how was it? Kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang.
That's good. Oh. Again, we have another
Texter, Denise
From
De Leon of Santa Ana,
Ana,
Manila. She's 53 years old and she's asking wala po bang side effect ang procedure?
wala ba raw side effect, Doktora Acuchino?
Ang side effect nito usually is that the patient may konting pain, no? Kasi
Okay.
we do
Of course, we cannot deny
injections.
that,
Oo.
But it's
Saka
tolerable,
sometimes there are bruises, hematoma, ano pa ba, Doc?
Pag minsan, yung mga hematoma naman goes
Oo,
away, no?
mawawala
Nawawala
naman
din naman,
yun.
kaya walang problema.
Oo. Sabi niya, I'm Ticdol-Lerox patient. Pwede po ba sa akin ang procedure na yan?
Ano po ba ang embolism? She's
Okay.
also asking.
Ang embolism is caused by an emboli, o a thrombus muna, nag-start yan sa veins natin. No? Yung thrombus is the clot present inside the blood vessel.
Okay.
Now, pag na-dislodge yan, nagiging emboli. So, it will cause embolism. Yung pag na-dislodge yan, pupunta yan doon sa smaller veins natin. Kung saan man yon, pwedeng sa baga or pwedeng sa ibang parts.
Yes.
So, yun ang magkakos na embolism. But fortunately with this one, kasi with sclerotherapy, we're treating the superficial leg veins.
So, ganyan
Now-
kasimple lang ang treatment. Ma'am, do you feel anything or you're okay? Wow, that's good. Again, another question from Angie of Quezon
Quezon
City.
City, is the procedure safe for diabetics?
Okay, as long as the diabetes is controlled, very safe.
There's no problem. Okay, wow. So, it's very safe for diabetics basta controlled. Basta your sugar is still in a normal value or normal range, you can still undergo the procedure of sclerotherapy. Yes.
And we have another texter from 2788. Where
Where
in
in
Angeles
Angeles is the clinic?
Okay, Dr.
Our
Lau.
clinic is in
Actually, is along MacArthur Highway.
Balibago?
Yes, Balibago, and one in Marquee Mall.
Okay.
late-
Saan malapit sa Angeles yung clinic natin? Sa in Jansen.
tabi siya ng Savers Mall. Yun yung
Savers
pinaka-landmark. Kilala kasi yung Savers Mall doon.
Tsaka yung Chinese restaurant na
Yes,
malapit
yung
doon.
Shanghai na
Shanghai
restaurant.
restaurant. Besides Shanghai restaurant in Angeles, and it's along Balibago Street, right?
Yes.
One of the main road in
Yes.
Balibago. Okay.
Doc, ano na po ba nakita natin improvement sa kanyang veins?
So nakikita mong improvement dito is uti-uting nawawala yung kanyang spider veins upon injection ng sclerosing agent, yung Sclerodex, no? Very visible. Yung dating nangingitim, hindi na masyadong visible. Meron lang marks ng konti. Eventually, it will go away.
Okay. Another question from Marlene of Baguio. Marlene Manalo of Baguio.
Meron po ba kayong clinic dito at paano po kami makakarating sa main clinic ninyo?
Okay, I can mention the clinics. Can you mention, Dr. Azores?
Okay.
The branches that we have.
We have one branch na nearest sa Baguio is yung Angeles, and the main branch is located at second floor, Suite 33, M. Adriatico, Ermita, Manila. Pag sumakay ka ng Baguio, from Victory Liner, Pasay, you can right away take the LRT and go down at Pedro Hill Station. From Pedro Hill Station, dun hanapin mo yung Robinson's Paura. Beside Robinson's Paura is the Midland Plaza Hotel. Nasa second floor kami. Madali lang hanapin.
Do you know the telephone number in Midland Plaza?
Midland Plaza is
521
521-1444.
Again, it's very easy to remember. 521-1444. And
Doko, tinan mo parang nagiging relax
parang
na yung
relax
veins
na yung
niya.
pasyente. The patient is not even moving. That means it's very relaxed, huh?
Yung veins po niya, before it used to be very dark and tense po. Right now, mukhang relax na relax po yung veins niya.
Okay. Again, we have another texter
From
from Cagayan
Mia
de
of
Ora.
CDO. Good morning.
Wow,
I'm 22 years old. Pero meron na daw po siyang varicose veins. Isa po pang dahilan yung maliligo na may mens ang isang woman.
Actually has no
Menstrual
relation at all. Walang kinalalaman doon. If you are prone to having it, you have the hereditary factor, yung work-related factors natin, the intake of pills, magkakaroon ka nito.
Okay, wow. Again, from, ano mo, dami natin texter, ha?
Yeah,
Or
everyone's
from Luzon,
interested.
Visayas, and Mindanao.
Kasi varicose veins, naging part of lifestyle na
know.
rin natin, especially for women. We love wearing high heels. We're
Right.
very active. At the same time, gusto rin natin umupo. So, anong
Yun
nangyayari?
pala, may treatment na
May
non-surgical
na. And it's not
treatment.
that expensive though, if you
Yes,
come to think of
exactly.
it.
And sabi nga ni
Mas maganda
Dr.
sana
Azores,
kung
90% of the world women population and 30 to 40% of the
The
men
male
have
population.
been affected by this kind of disease. And hindi nila ay na pinapansin. But right now, we have our experts here who can treat the varicose vein non-surgically. Again, sabi ni Miss Ann of Butuan. Butuan pa, ha? Hello po.
Saan po ang clinic ninyo? Pakiulit po ang
Address,
address ng
Dr.
kanyang
Azores.
clinic.
Okay, the address is Suite 33, second floor, Midland Plaza Hotel, M. Adriatico, Ermita, Manila, besides Robinson's Paura.
Okay. We have other clinics
We have another clinic in Santa Rosa, Laguna at
in SM.
SM.
SM Santa Rosa.
SM Santa Rosa. And
Okay,
another one in 17 Scout Borromeo, Quezon City.
And how about
And
in
another one in Angeles, in Balibago, Dr. Lau.
One in Balibago and one in Marquee Mall, Angeles, Pampanga.
Angeles.
Marquee Mall?
Pampanga.
So that means inside the mall, no?
Yes.
It's a very big mall in Angeles.
Doc, we have another texture from 5362. Paano po malalaman kung varicose veins yung sumasakit? Yun po sa akin, kumikirot po lagi, pero hindi po nakakalabas yung mga ugat.
Okay, Dr. Cappuccino?
First, syempre, kailangan ng patient magpa-consult muna so that
Yes,
they could identify.
exactly. Okay. So, kailangan muna ng consultation for them to be assessed by our doctors if the leg pain may be secondary to varicose
Varicose
vein or
vein.
not. Or maybe siguro baka arthritis pain yun,
Arthritis.
you know, so maybe you can request for some laboratory workout, like probably uric acid. Tingnan mo muna, baka mataas ang uric acid mo. Again.
Doctor, can we say po ba after going this kind of treatment, permanent na po bang mawawala? Or would there be a lot of chance of coming back yung varicose veins?
Yeah.
Now, once the veins are treated, hindi na siya bumabalik.
Oh.
Pero nagkakaroon ng mga panibago.
Panibago.
Oh,
There
because
will
of
be
the
like
factors that we mentioned a
secondary
while ago.
exposure, right. Pero once you treated, it will not be back anymore.
Mhm.
Unless there will be some new varicose vein.
New varicose
It will
veins.
come out in another area naman po.
In
That's
another
why
area.
people are asking if bakit po bumabalik ang varicose veins. It just comes back sa ibang area.
Sa ibang area.
Pero yung treated, hindi na bumaba. Again, another Texters. We have a lot of thousands of texters. Alam mo ba, Kata?
She's asking, na-operahan na po ako ng varicose veins pero nagkaroon ulit after 4 years. Bakit po ganon?
Parehas pa rin ang sinabi natin, yung hereditary factor which is present sa kanya, kaya nagkakaroon siya ulit ng mga panibago. And
pero those treated surgically,
one.
siguro ito yung mga varicose vein niya, yung mga malalaki.
Yung malalaki.
And that we have several cases of varicosities na surgery din siya, na vein stripping na, but there's still some more
varicose veins coming out.
Siguro ito yung mga small varicose vein na
lumaki na.
And it can be treated by sclerotherapy. Okay. Again, we have
another texter from Christina of Quezon City. After the operation po ba, I can do my normal routine right away, like aerobics. Ano po ba exact address sa Scout Borromeo so that I can show my legs for quotation?
Okay, for exact address in Scout Borromeo, 17 Scout Borromeo, South Triangle, Quezon City.
Do you have a telephone number for Scout Borromeo?
The number, Dr. Lau, for Scout Borromeo?
You can probably give your cell phone number.
You can visit na lang po sa Scout Borromeo.
Okay, you can visit Scout
Borromeo. That's on the in between Mother Ignacia and Scout Borromeo.
Scout Borromeo.
So, and sabi niya, can
she go back to her normal
activities
routine?
after
she can go back with her normal activities except for the aerobics. We usually advise them to do yung mga strenuous exercise na yan after 4 hours.
After 4 hours.
Pero pwede mo next day.
Pwede.
Yes. Okay. And one thing more, this is not surgery, ha? Sabi niya kanina, sabi niya.
Operation, it's a non-surgical procedure.
She was asking for the quotation, and diba, we all know that the price is 4,000 during the first treatment, and succeeding is 900.
Yes. Again, another texter
from Beth of Pasig. Everyday po kasi naglalakad po ako to work. Nakadagdag din po ito sa pagdami ng varicose. At nakakatulong po ba yan sa pagtaas ng paa ng 15 to 20 minutes para malesen yung varicose vein?
Okay,
I think she was referring to a kind of routine or exercise you can do to prevent the coming out of varicose veins. And
okay, yung sinasabi niyang paglalakad niya everyday won't actually it helps, no, but provided she's wearing yung comfortable shoes. Yung pagtaas ng kanyang legs 15 to 20 minutes do help out, but it doesn't prevent yung paglabas if you really are prone to having varicose veins.
Yes. Okay, wow.
So, Doc, ano po bang magandang exercise to do para hindi po lumabas yung varicose veins, at least to minimize, especially right now we're standing up.
That's what I usually tell to my patients, to our patients in Midland. If you cannot prevent from prolonged standing, you can at least do the toe raising exercise. It somehow contracts your leg muscles, helping the circulation.
Okay.
Again, we have another,
Ganun-ganun tayo, Doc.
Pero alam mo ba, it's only the first time I saw you wearing a nice mask.
Oh, thank you.
You look gorgeous. Okay, we have another texter
from 3234. Doc, may veins po ako sa maselang bahagi ng katawan ko. Buntis po ako. Normal po ba yun? At ano po ba ang ways para makatanggal sa veins ko?
No, actually,
the patient is pregnant.
The patient is pregnant, o yung paglabas ng varicose talaga, it could be triggered by the pregnancy alone. Okay? But pwede nating i-treat to after ng pregnancy if she's not breastfeeding. Pwede na natin i-treat.
And she was saying sa maselang bahagi ng katawan
Usually,
niya.
pagka maselang bahagi, it's present on the inner thigh down to the singit dun sa inguinal area.
Sir, bakit malabas dun?
Probably because of the compression during pregnancy.
Compression.
And we have another texter.
Yes.
I have 2 dark veins in my face, and most of the time, napagkakamalang dumi or guhit ng pen. Kawawa naman ating
Napa-laser ko na po to.
Napa-laser na po niya ito, pero nag-light reddish lang siya. Now, it's dark again. Pwede po ba yung procedure sa face, and how much po?
First, we need to see the patient kasi we should, parang ma-assess natin kung ano talaga yung nagda-darken sa face ng patient. But if that is a spider veins lang, pwede naman
they can be treated by
or pwede siya sa face. Safe naman po ba?
Yes, very safe.
No bloating or side effect naman po. Wala.
Okay, meron tayong
texter from Grace Ponce of Mandaue City. Meron po ba kayong clinic sa Cebu?
Okay.
Malapit na.
Coming
soon. Yes. Okay, now we're doing a varicose vein treatment by Dr. Raylan Lau. So we're on the right foot na already,
Actually, Dr. Seneca, i-add ko lang, common question kasi ng mga pasyente sa clinic. Sasabi nila, pag clinose daw yung mga veins, paano na yung dugo dadalo? Yung very common na question na tinatanong.
Yes.
Actually, ito yung mga varicose veins, ito na yung mga collaterals because of poor circulation.